Hi Jojo, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. My partner Natalie said you had reached out on a Facebook post wanting some SEO advice. So the three things I want to go over are backlinks, content, and citations. So if we come over here to Google and we search for Home Remodeling Tampa, first thing we see here is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. So a main ranking factor here in this area is going to be through backlinks, and all a backlink is just one website linking to another. So we'll go ahead and plug in Greaves Construction to see what they have going on. So we see here that they have 50 referring domains or other websites, giving them 149 backlinks. When we plug you in, we see you don't have any referring domains or any backlinks. Don't be alarmed. That's totally normal for somebody who hasn't done any type of SEO. So what would need to happen is you need to get about 200 to 250 links pointing back to your website. And you don't want just any links. You want the right type of links. So what I mean by that is there are spammy links out there and there are trustworthy ones. You obviously want to get the trustworthy ones. That's what Google is going to favor. So, one way you could do that would be to go through all of the links they have, get what you can, and then of course, go get more. Also, if you can get relevant links to your industry, that's going to be a lot more effective for you. So getting links from other, concrete sites, stucco sites, home remodeling sites, and stuff like that is going to be a lot more effective than a link from, say, the automotive industry or the beauty industry. So you don't want just any link, but relevant, trustworthy links are what we're going for. So next I wanted to show you the keywords to give you an idea of the search volume. So for Home Remodeling Tampa, that's searched about 90 times a month. Remodeling Contractors Tampa, that's searched about 80 times. Home Renovation, 60. Remodeling, 40. So you can see that there's a pretty good handful of home remodeling keywords. If we're looking here at concrete, we have Concrete Tampa searched about 100 times a month. Concrete Contractors 90 times. Here's a 70, a 40, a 50. This one's not necessarily local to Tampa, but it's more national. But you can see, there's a few hundred searches going on for people looking for concrete services in Tampa that you could be found for. And then if we come look at the stucco keywords, we see stucco repair is being searched about 90 times, stucco Tampa about 30, Tampa stucco repair is 20, and then another small one. So you can see that there's pretty good searches in that as well. So what would need to happen here is you would pretty much need to get these keywords into your content, and then of course get those backlinks going back to your site so you can start powering your site. Coming back to your website, so in regards to content, we see, I'm referring to all the words on your website. So we see here you pretty much don't have any content. Google really likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword-rich, authoritative content on this home page. And then, of course, lots of content on your back pages as well. So I see you have a single service page and you offer, 6 different services. So what you should be doing here is have this be a drop-down menu where you have individual pages for each service you offer, where you could get lots of content on those back pages as well, with, of course, the relevant keywords to that page and that service. So coming back to Google, so citations come to play here in the map pack, and it's one of the main ranking factors. And all a citation is just a business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. Typically, whenever I'm searching how many citations any one business has, it's never more than 50 to 75 tops. So what we always recommend is to get 350 so you can just beat your competition out by a landslide. And also, you want to get the Google My Business listing fully optimized and, get a really great description on there, get your photos on there, and most importantly, get those reviews. So 5-star reviews are really, really important. And so once you get that optimized, you can get those citations and it should help you rank here. So just to do a recap for you, you want to get relevant, trustworthy links pointing back at your website to show Google that you are the authority in your niche and you deserve to be at the top of the first page. You want to get lots of content on your website to get those service pages built out, because you can actually rank the individual service pages. So you can rank your stucco page, you can rank your concrete page, your remodel page, and all of those could be found here at the top of the search engine if you rank them by doing the backlinks. So yeah, getting that content on your site, 1,500 words to 2,000 words of keyword-rich authoritative content on this homepage, with lots of content on your service pages, and then get your Google My Business listing fully optimized and get the 350 citations so that way you can start ranking in the top 3. All right, Jojo, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out to us. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I hope you have a great day.